Mars, also known as the red planet, has a quiet but haunting sound. Its thin atmosphere produces soft, ghostly winds, especially during dust storms that sweep across its surface. Listening to Mars feels like standing in a silent desert, far away from everything. Uranus, the sideways planet, has sounds as unique as its tilt. Its magnetic field creates bursts of static clicks and whooshes, similar to the crackling of a radio. It's an icy and mysterious symphony from a planet that's truly one of a kind. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, is a world of powerful winds and roaring storms. Its sounds are deep and dramatic, echoing the violent hurricanes on its surface. It's like standing in a hurricane on the coldest, bluest world in the solar system. Although Pluto is no longer considered a planet, it still has a voice. Its sounds are subtle, like echoes from a distant dream, captured from the edge of the solar system. It's a mysterious and peaceful farewell to our journey. From Mercury's whispers to Neptune's roars, the planets of our solar system each have their own voice. These sounds remind us of the beauty and mystery of the universe. Which planet's sound amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Discover with Momina for more incredible space adventures.